10 toes down, don't jump off sides. When I touch down, pull up on site. I told y'all list all day, all night. Do this with precision, ain't gon' be no split this. Triple double, don't be subtle. Tell them I can't get a title, ain't none of my time in this idle. Talking to all of my rivals, I put my motto survival. Checking the signs and the vitals, I think they dead on arrival. Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, you know me, Purple Slushy NFT, coming back with another video. First thing I want to talk about today, if you guys want to join my Discord, I have a Discord. I will leave the link in the description to that down in the description down below. So if you want to join, maybe get some alpha, things like that, make sure you join up, say what's up in the headquarters inside of the Discord. Getting started, we're going to be talking about KaraFuru second generation. You guys just saw the video for that I just played at the beginning of today's video. As you can see, they have partnered with Hypebeast. If you don't know who Hypebeast is, then you have to be sleeping under a rock. Definitely look them up. They're always driving it forward. They're a big culture brand. Basically, they partner with a lot of different companies, like clothing-wise, things like that. And if we go over here and check out their website, we can see Hypebeast, they are always posting stuff that revolves around like shoe culture, clothing culture, anything that's popping, things like that. So definitely look into them. And they also partnered, KaraFuru partnered with Atmos USA and Atmos Japan, who is basically, if we check them out over here and go to their website, Atmos is the #1 shoe boutique in Japan. So this is also another company that is going to be super dope, and another company that is going to also push the, you know, culture and push that sort of unique area. It's gonna push that and drive that forward into the future. So being able to partner with not only Hypebeast but also Atmos, things are looking very big for KaraFuru. I know that Atmos is going to sell like KaraFuru toys, which is going to be super dope. So basically with this 3D collection coming out, there's going to be 15,555 pieces. I think that they have 5,555 allocated for anybody who has one of their original OG Genesis collection pieces already. So if we go over here, oh, that's weird. I clicked on card, but it doesn't, OpenSea. So their OpenSea link is not actually taking you to the KaraFuru page. I'm gonna have to send them something and tell them that it's not sending them to the right place, but that is so weird. So let's go over to OpenSea and we're gonna type KaraFuru. And as we can see right here, KaraFuru, this is the main collection. So basically, if you own any of the pieces in this main collection for KaraFuru, floor price is at 2.89, you're automatically going to get one of the second generation 3D models airdropped to you, which is super dope. Also, if you don't have one, you are able to earn a whitelist by coming over into the Discord. You can come over into the Furu Talk, try to talk to people, join the Holder VC, or not the Holder VC, join the Furu VC or any of the other voice chats. There's always people in here trying to grind out that whitelist. So this is definitely a project I think that would be worth putting your time into. I'm not sure how long we have left until mint. Mint has not been stated yet. I know that if you have one of the first generations, you're gonna be able to get one airdrop. But if you want to, you know, try to get that whitelist, you're going to have to mint it. So definitely make sure that if you want, you're putting in the time and trying to get into the Discord. I believe the Discord is open, so you can get to it from their Twitter page. I will also leave the link in the description down below for their Discord as well. I think that this collection is going to pop off. I remember when KaraFuru first started, if we look here and we go to the all-time, when it first came out, the floor price was around like 6 ETH, and then it's kind of like gone downhill. So we're kind of in a bearish market right now where a lot of projects are kind of down in value right now. But KaraFuru has been holding strong around like 2.5 to 3 ETH in that time since then, which is pretty good. That's still a decent amount of Ethereum, especially for a project like this. I think that all the signs are looking up. They just had their Indonesia festival. They're gonna have a festival in New York, and they're gonna have another festival. Also, this 3D collection is going to be coming out, and are also going to be able to get a toy of your 3D figurine if you hold your 3D figurine, which is going to be super, super dope. So, excuse me, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. That's all I have for you today. Till next time, my name's been Purple Slushy. Peace.